Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can drag this mark book right here, this bookmark right here, into this folder. But as you can see right here, first of all, we're actually in Google Chrome. So when you sign in, these are what's we have as some research. So this is plant and animal, this animal cell, human cell. But if you notice, we have them here, so I just want to put them in the folder. So notice I create a folder mark research. But how can I really get them inside here? I can actually drag them inside. So I'm going to put the cursor on it along the left side of the mouse. I touch pad there. I'm just going to drag it, drop it inside here. I'm going to do the same thing and drop it just like that inside of it. But definitely, if you want to create, what we're going to do definitely, if you click right here, notice you can the human cell right here. And if I move this, alright, so this will come like a research right here with the different human stuff. So I'll come right up here with the star is and I click and this is what happened and then I press definitely. Alright, and it actually go inside to this. So definitely when you click, if you notice, these are all of it right here, what I can actually view. So definitely you actually want to go to the research page, you just click on the research page and just go all inside of this. You want to go to NC, you just click and that's exactly. Oh, so that's our drag and drop our MacBook right here into a folder. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.